Hello world! Let me introduce K2C Solutions to manage deviations and CAPA system. Today we see two extremely important processes: management of quality issues and CAPA, Corrective and Preventive Actions. Triggering events of CAPA are quality issues, which includes complaints, product recalls, deviations or nonconformities, audit or regulatory inspections, out of specifications OOS, or out of trends OOT. Triggering events are strictly related to CAPA processes and vice versa. A CAPA might trigger critical QMS processes like change control, SOPs, and user training. Issues having an impact on product's quality need to be assessed and criticality reduced by CAPA. K2C Solutions provides a smart, integrated quality system solution to manage quality issues and outstanding contest. Inventory of business processes, where deviations or nonconformities occurs. Quality issues or triggering events. Corrective and preventive actions, both planning and execution. Let's concentrate here on an example. How to manage a deviation or a nonconformity. A deviation needs to be entered and well described, pointing out the WWWHW, who, what, where, how, and when. When a new deviation is drafted, it can be submitted for required assessment and approvals. K2C Solutions allows a process owner and a quality assurance to manage interactively all required steps of this complex process, from the assessment of a triggering event to investigation and root cause analysis, finally to the definition of a CAPA plan when required and execution of all planned actions. The process owner is required to perform a review or assessment of submitted deviation, initially described by who has detected or reported the issue. Next step is the assessment by quality assurance. In addition to the process owner, the quality assurance evaluates the issue criticality and the deviation impact on critical quality attributes and compliance. The combination of criticality level with other parameters may determine a light approach when a deviation is minor and the root cause is well known, or deep analysis and a CAPA planning when a major or critical deviation has an unknown cause. Selection criteria to determine behaviors based on the impact of the issue and other parameters can be customized. A deviation assessment usually requires an electronic signature of both process owner and quality assurance. After a preliminary assessment, if the root cause is unknown and the criticality is not negligible, the deviation requires an investigation to determine the root causes. At this point, quality issue status changes into deviation and investigation approved. Please note, statuses can be customized too. After the investigation, depending on a previous assessment, the system automatically determines if a CAPA plan is required. In case, the system generates a new task, the CAPA plan. The write-up is assigned to the appropriate quality assurance and/or process owner, depending on system configuration. When a CAPA plan draft is completed, both process owner and quality assurance for a given process must approve it. Now, CAPA plan status switches to CAPA plan approved and assigned. Assigned means the system has created two tasks, one for each action we previously defined. Every action can be assigned to different individuals or user groups. User assigned to each single planned action included in the CAPA plan execute their tasks and result is automatically visible online. Someone else, usually the author of the initial CAPA plan, is asked to verify the execution of the overall planned actions. Also note that effectiveness verification might be required for some actions. This is a check as follow-up to confirm the efficacy of the implemented action in a medium or long term. When all actions in a CAPA plan are successfully completed, both original deviation and CAPA plan status switch to CAPA result, approved and deviation closed. original deviation is now closed and resolved. All relevant data are displayed in a single form with different tabs, one for each single step of the entire process. Last tab is the Fashion Style Full Printable Report. After a given number of months, a verification task is assigned to confirm the efficacy of implemented corrective and preventive actions. Appointed or designated managers have real-time access to all relevant metrics to control and ensure the health of deviations and CAPA management processes. This is a short list of main features available in K2C Solutions for quality issues and CAPA management. Please contact us on www.k2c.com for any request for information or to schedule a free live demo.